Oh gosh, I'm scared.
They're gonna come up so fast. There he is.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my
Dude,
gosh.
that is
Look
a
at the size of that one.
giant.
Look at the size of that one.
That's a 700-800.
Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, I'm getting scared, bro.
Oh yeah, it is. That was a big one. They're both like 300 pounders. Gets me every time, dude.
If you guys like top water eats, it don't get no better than this. Pretty much as much as Hi!
That's a big one, dude.
I think he ate it.
Set up.
Got him. Max, help me. Back me up. Here we go, I got him. Oh my gosh.
You got him.
Yeah, I got him.
That's a big one. 300-400 pounds.
There he is.
Big one, dude.
That's 300.
That's 300 almost.
He's not as big as the boat, but he's good size.
That hurt.
Okay, that's called a lens cleaning time right there. I mean, glasses, face, everything just got totally soaked. Look at that fish. Are you kidding me? Like, that's a giant. Oh my gosh, bro, Goliath groupers. You guys got to come try this. This is, I mean, these are legit dinosaurs. Look at this thing. It's bigger than me. This thing is giant. Look at that. Yo, you ready?
Yeah, dude, I'm ready. Let's get it.
We're about to get the world's greatest top water eat. That's the biggest one ever! Oh my gosh!
That's a giant.
Oh my gosh!
That's a giant,
Yo,
dude.
Max, get ready.
I am.
Ready. Pull. Help me pull. Stop. He dropped.
You dropped it?
No, he got it.
You got it? Dude, that's a giant.
Here, we got him. He's up. There he is. Oh my gosh! Dude! Oh my gosh!
This is scary.
Dude, hold on. We got him, bro. Here, we got him. We can't lose this fish, bro. We can't lose this. This is the biggest fish ever. Dude. This is the biggest lion ever. Don't lose him. Oh my gosh. No, guys. This is Goliath waist. He's bigger than the boat. Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, let him slide.
Yeah, I got it.
Guys, this is this fish. Whoa! Oh my god! Guys, you don't understand. This is 700 pounds. This thing is the biggest thing you've ever seen in your life. Dude, that weighs more than your boat, bro.
That's a big one, dude.
That weighs more than your boat, bro.
That's a barnacle.
That weighs way more. Yeah, he ain't done yet, folks. Let him
I got him. That's a 500 pounder, dude.
Woo! First thing first, let's get this line out, dude. Oh my gosh, Max, you got him?
I got him.
Bro,
He's done.
No joke, guys. Yeah, he's done, all right.
He's done, dude.
Yeah, he's done. This is a big male, bro. Okay, let's get this jerry rig out of here.
Yeah.
See where this thing goes.
You just gotta cut it, probably.
Okay. Bolt cutters are gone. What is it?
Woo!
Yeah, that was not. Good it's a good thing the mics are waterproof. Dude,
Yeah.
I'm so glad there's no sharks here right now.
Yeah, I'm so glad
I
that
probably
rope
would have had a
didn't
panic
get-
attack.
I'm so glad that rope didn't get caught in you.
Dude.
I would've let it go.
Yeah. Dude, so that tells you how powerful this fish are, dude. I've done that with 500-pound Goliath groupers. 500-pound bull sharks. And we can hold that fish with one turn of his head, pull me off my feet and in the water. Look at the size of that fish, guys. That's a giant. That's a dinosaur. Oh my gosh. This fish is over 500 pounds. There's no way. This thing is so big, like stupid. This is a dinosaur. This fish might be 70 years old. What's crazy about Goliath grouper is actually they're hermaphrodites. This is actually a male. He gave us a lot of entertainment. We're gonna pull this hook over now, just like that. Look at the hook that came up. And we're gonna help him get down. He's gonna go. There he goes. Ready, watch. He's gonna pull.
Good one.